Hello partner! Welcome to our channel, The Hungry Partner. Our recipe on this video is giniling na tofu. So again, instead of using meat, we will use tofu. So watch out!
The Hungry Partner.
This one is easy to cook, so let's start. First, let's slice the onions to small pieces and mince the garlic. So as of now, we have 2 onions and 5 cloves of garlic. Next step is to prepare our tofu, a big block of tofu. Let us mash it or crumple it using our hands. By the way, partner, did you know that we have a lot of health benefits from tofu?
What?
This one is an additional trivia from our previous video, having tofu. So tofu has fiber, and a high fiber diet keeps our colon healthy, and it gives us low risk of cancer. It's also good in improving our memory and keeping our brain healthy. Studies suggest that eating tofu prevent memory loss and trouble thinking as you get older. Next, of course, we have a carrot. Let's peel it off. And we also have 2 potatoes. Okay, time to slice our veggies. We will slice both carrots and potatoes into dice. Carrots first. Then time for the potatoes. By the way, on our next video, we will have honey garlic chicken wings using an air fryer. Yup, we will fry chicken wings without oil. So stay tuned. Both are done. Time to saute our onions in garlic. We usually put the onions first to prevent garlic from burning fast, while others put the garlic first because oil splash if they will put the onions first. Because onion have a higher water content than the garlic. What about you? Any thoughts? So when the garlic looks slightly brown and the onion looks white or turned white, time to put our tofu and saute our tofu as well. Let's saute it until it looks slightly brown. It's a magic. Time to saute our veggies too. Of course, we always put the carrots first because it starts with C. Next is P for potatoes for our awesomeness. Well, we saute potatoes and carrots to make them crunchy. Just keep on stirring until they look crunchy. Time to add our tofu. And mix them well. And let's add a half cup of water for it to simmer. Now let's add 115 grams of tomato sauce. We also have 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Again, mix it well and then add oyster sauce. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Again, mix it well and add salt and pepper to taste. Once we have all the ingredients, let's mix them well and let's cover it and wait it to simmer. And we will get back after 5 minutes.
5 minutes later.
Ta-da! Let's add 1/4 cup of water and cover it again for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes later. Oh yeah, that's my voice. Ta-da! Oops, I almost forgot. Let's add a half of chicken cube. But let's keep it a secret. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. Ta-da!
Wow.
Finally, it's done. Time to prepare it for our taste test. Smells so yummy. It makes me so hungry, partner. By the way, how are you, partner? I hope you are enjoying this video. If yes, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button for us to be inspired to create more videos and for you to be notified if we have new one. Time to taste test. So excited. I love it. Yummy.